Introduction. Can the Motorola Moto G87 survive a full Saudi day? Saudi Arabia is one of the most smartphone-active countries in the Middle East. Between scorching summer temperatures, long working hours, and a culture of heavy social media use, your phone must perform under pressure. That is exactly why the Motorola Moto G87 battery backup tested daily has become the talk of tech circles across the kingdom. Motorola officially announced the Moto G87 in late May 2026, positioning it as the crown jewel of the G series lineup for markets, which include Saudi Arabia. With a starting price of approximately SAR 1,750, the Moto G87 challenges mid-range rivals by stacking flagship-grade features onto an accessible budget. Whether you're a student in Riyadh, a professional in Jeddah, or a content creator in Dammam, the Moto G87 has something worth examining closely. These figures are estimates based on the global launch price of SAR 1,750 approximate. Saudi buyers should check Motorola's official KSA page and authorized retailers for confirmed local pricing. Given Motorola's history of competitive pricing in the kingdom, the final SAR price may be even more attractive. Motorola Moto G87 battery backup, tested daily in Saudi conditions. This is the most critical section for Saudi users, and the reason the Motorola Moto G87 battery backup tested daily claim matters so much. The 5,200 mAh battery is the largest ever placed in a Moto G series phone, and it delivers impressively in real-world conditions. What to expect from daily use in Saudi Arabia? Morning, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. commute browsing, WhatsApp, navigation, and morning emails consume approximately 15 to 18% battery during a 60-minute heavy use session. The bright AMOLED display, despite hitting 5,000 nits, is intelligently calibrated for auto brightness, which reduces drains significantly in indoor environments. Afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., this is where Saudi heat enters the equation. High ambient temperatures, 40 degrees C+, can affect lithium battery efficiency. The Moto G87's MIL STD 810H thermal rating provides reassurance, but users should note that prolonged direct sunlight exposure will accelerate battery drain, as with any smartphone. Evening, 6 p.m. Midnight streaming Saudi entertainment on OSN+, Shahid, or YouTube in the evening is where the Moto G87 truly shines. The Dolby Atmos stereo speakers and the vivid AMOLED panel create an excellent media experience, and the battery comfortably handles 3 to 4 hours of streaming after a full day of use. Battery verdict. In typical daily Saudi use, 5G connectivity, social media, WhatsApp, navigation, and 1 to 2 hours of media, the Moto G87 comfortably lasts 18 to 22 hours. With lighter usage, calls, messages, browsing, it can push well beyond a full day. 30W Turbo Power Charging. The 30W Turbo Power Charger can restore significant charge in minutes. Motorola states that a short charge session delivers hours of additional use. However, compared to rival brands offering 65W or 100W charging at similar price points, this remains a notable trade-off for users who need extremely fast top-ups. Motorola Moto G87 camera, 200MP, finally on a budget phone. The camera is arguably the biggest talking point of the Moto G87, and rightly so. The 200MP primary sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, and ultra-pixel technology, claiming up to 16x improved light sensitivity, is unprecedented at this price range. Key features that Saudi buyers will love. Beyond camera and battery, the Moto G87 packs several standout features relevant to Saudi consumers. Triple water protection, IP66 plus, IP68 plus, IP69, whether caught in unexpected rain in Al Khobar or accidentally dropped near a pool. The Moto G87 is rated for submersion and high-pressure water jets. 5G connectivity. Saudi Arabia's 5G network coverage is among the best in the region. The Moto G87's Dimensity 6400 5G chipset ensures you make full use of STC, Mobily, and Zane's high-speed networks. Brightest Moto G display ever. At 5,000 nits peak brightness, the 6.78-inch AMOLED display is fully readable even under direct Saudi sunlight, a rare achievement at this price. Android 16 with Motorola exclusive UX. Hello UX for personalization, Moto Secure for privacy, Smart Connect for multi-device use, and Gemini AI integration make the software experience modern and polished. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i offers 2x better drop and scratch resistance compared to standard glass. Important for active daily use. Motorola has silently added a new member to its G family in Europe with the launch of the Moto G87. It follows the same price-to-specification ratio formula, and this time, the biggest highlight is its camera, along with a capable Dimensity chipset, a big battery, and a large AMOLED display. Moto G87 specifications and features. The main USP of the Moto G87 is the cameras, with this being the first smartphone from Motorola to feature an impressive 200MP main camera sensor with OIS and 2x lossless zoom support. It is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a third auxiliary lens. At the front, the phone gets a 32MP selfie shooter with an f/2.2 aperture. The front. The smartphone features a 6.78-inch 1.5K 120Hz extreme AMOLED display with up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection. The panel is encased within a 7.38mm plastic midframe and is complemented by a vegan leather back panel. The phone is also lightweight at 183 grams. For performance, the Moto G87 uses the Dimensity 6400 chipset, paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Users can also virtually expand the RAM by up to 8GB and the onboard storage by 1TB using a microSD card. On the software front, Moto G87 ships with Hello UI based on Android 16 out of the box. It comes with useful Moto actions, such as Chop Chop for Flash, ThinkShield security and privacy features, and more. Motorola is promising a single software upgrade with 2 years of security updates. So expect it to be a part of the Hello UI Android 17 eligible devices list talking about the battery and charging details. The phone is equipped with a 5,200 mAh cell and can support up to 30W of fast USB-C charging. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, dual 5G SIM, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB-C 2.0 port. It is also protected by an IP66 plus, IP68 plus, IP69 rating, and MILSTD 810H certification. Motorola G87 pricing and availability. The Moto G87 price starts from €399, approximately 44,500 rupees, in Europe and EMEA regions. It will also be rolled out in regions like the Middle East and Africa in the coming weeks. We also expect a Moto G87 India launch soon, as its predecessors made it to the country. It will be available in 2 colorways, Pantone Blue Atoll and Pantone Overture. Motorola has not revealed the global sale date or the different RAM and storage configurations for the phone. It could be so nice to spend your everyday life with the Motorola Moto G87. There's the stylish casing, the good workmanship, including protection from the elements. There is the low weight and reliable operation, a microSD reader, and a bright screen round off the package. The only problem is that the Moto G87 has lost a lot of performance compared to its predecessor and is now equipped with an SoC that is usually found in devices half the price. Good, 75%. Motorola Moto G87. MediaTek Dimensity 6400 ARM Mali G57 MP2. Smartphone, May 22nd, 2026, V8. Download your licensed rating image as PNG/SVG. 4 years of updates is okay. But in view of the much longer promises of the competition and the current EU directives, it is not enough. The price would have to drop significantly before we could recommend the Motorola Moto G87. This is a shame, because the mid-range phone actually does a lot of things right, but fails due to cost-cutting constraints and strong competition. Case and features: faux leather back. Almost all current Motorola smartphones offer a high-quality artificial leather back in Pantone colors, and the Moto G87 is no exception. With Overture and Blue Atoll, either a very dark or a very light blue is available for the back. The frame is adapted accordingly. The camera module is very elegantly integrated into the material with a slight curve. The casing has a high-quality, sturdy finish and offers IP68/IP69 certification, meaning it can also be taken into shallow water. When it comes to the USB port, you have to make do with a USB 2.0 connection, which cannot output image signals. In terms of memory, you get 256 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes RAM. Expansion via micro SD card is possible, although the reader is not really fast in our tests.